What's up, everyone? I am so excited to announce that Afibie Crypto Trading School launches tomorrow. Afibie Trading School gives you trade signals while teaching you how to trade profitably. That means you make money while you learn. It's designed for regular people like you and me. No extra technical skill is required for you to start earning. So Afibie offers 3-stage learning program that takes you from beginner to expert. Stage 1 is DFY, which is done for you. We teach you how to plug into a system that trades for you hands-free. Stage 2 is done with you, DWY. Here we give you expert signals and give you mentorship and teach you risk management, because it's not just about getting the signals but knowing how to use them wisely to make profit for yourself. And stage 3 is do it yourself, DIY. Here you learn the skills and knowledge you need to trade on your own. Trade anytime, explore more assets, and boost your profits. So what are you waiting for? The link is in the description. Get started, go there, register, and I'll see you in the trading platform.